All right, guys, welcome to the next video on the Desmos Scientific Calculator. In this video, we're going to explore how Desmos can help us with rounding. So a lot of times in math classes, we get answers that are crazy decimals. They may look like this, and we need to round it to a certain number of places. So we're going to see how Desmos can do that for us automatically. So normally when I get to Desmos, it puts me right here at the main screen under this main menu. But I do have this other menu here that says func, which stands for function. And one of the functions that's here is right over here, and it says round. And what this allows me to do is have Desmos round for me automatically. So I'll show you that in this first example. I will take this number and just copy paste it into Desmos. And I want to round it to 2 places. So you can see it automatically rounds to a whole number, but I want it to 2 decimal places. So the way I tell it 2 decimal places is I'll put a comma and I'll put a 2. And you can see automatically Desmos rounds to 2 decimal places for me. Right, I have another one here where we have to round to the nearest thousandth. So I'll copy paste the number over. And unfortunately, I cannot write the word thousandth here, right? I have to already know that the thousandth spot means 3 decimals, right? The thousandth spot is the 3rd spot. So when I put a 3 here, I can see it gives me 4 with the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths slot. Right, rounded for me automatically, very easy. Right, this last one I have is a pretty crazy decimal that's pretty hard to round in your head, right? It can be really confusing to know what to do with all these 9s when you round kind of in the middle. But right, Desmos, once again, can do this for us automatically. I'll put round, I'll put my number, and I need to round to the nearest 10,000th, right? And I have to know that the 10,000th slot is the 4th slot. And I can see that actually this rounds to 3.2. Sometimes we would write this 3.2000 to really kind of stress that, you know, we're not rounding early. There really are these zeros here. But this is how Desmos can do rounding automatically for us, help me get my final answer in a way that I can actually type it in to my homework or into Newton. And yeah, I hope this is helpful.